Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Microsoft To Do. On the Microsoft To Do app, we click on settings. Here in this page, you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about To Do and you can enter. Here you will find Force Stop, you will click and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.